So is the seat all the way back?
I think it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
So that's much better than what you had before. All right, perfect. Let me finish taking it out. Yeah, I know.
I mean, it literally went to here.
I know.
But in order to use it, to even go back a little bit, I had to put it all the way to the front, and then it would go back like that much.
Yeah. Oh, no, I think that's good.
Perfect. So, okay. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
That was my shoe.
Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah, but putting the seat back, and I was really careful with it. It pushed the staple out of that, and that one little staple was making the whole seat move. The seat that was behind the passenger seat didn't have any seat belts in it, so we're not even losing seat belts.
So I do want to put screws back in all of these holes.
Mm-hmm.
They can be a lot shorter.
Yeah, because we want to make sure we don't puncture any membrane or anything that could unseal our RV, because we haven't had any problems with air leakage or water leakage, so we want to keep it that way. So this seat was so simple to take apart because it really didn't have that much structure in it. But the seat that has the seat belt in it, the one by the door, that has a lot more structure in it. It has some, what do you call those metal things? Like metal
brackets.
The one by the door has metal brackets screwed to the floor and then to the seat for the stability, because it's a seat belt seat. We've been really happy with this RV. I mean, our choice to not get slide outs
Was the best decision we ever made.
Yeah. And we've had no problems other than your normal, stuff is shaking like this, the screws shook out of that. But we actually are going to put the screws back in it and reinforce it. So that's not really a big problem. And one of these little things that holds the blind down shook out, but we were able to get some more of them. So we bought a bunch of them, and we're going to keep them in the RV because it seems like those things shake out. Is that one of our...
No, I don't know.
What is it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Where's that from?
See you later, alligator.
Oh, obviously from Louisiana. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Oh, you got a little scrubbing to do. What?
Where? Oh, it's got some glitter. Oh, never bring anything with glitter.
Wait, let me go
in your RV.
Let me see how the seat feels now.
What is that over there in the corner?
A penny.
Oh, I was wondering if it was a water spot or something.
Let me see.
We do need to buy a little piece of this molding, which is probably just glued on, and replace that right there. That's no problem. Okay. Go in for the test. Can you sleep in that chair now?
Oh yeah, this is much better.
Yeah. This was one of the reasons in the two RVs that we were thinking about. The other one had a door here instead of back there. And I kind of wanted that one because my seat could go back. And, but this one was a much nicer RV. This floor plan and just everything about it was nicer.
And this was on an E450 instead of an E350.
Yeah, so this was the better RV. So we ended up going with this one, and now
Just have
the
to
thing that was a problem is not a problem anymore.
Those are my famous last words.
Yeah.
Who needs directions?
You got the screwdriver.
Alright.
Okay.
Did it hit your toe?
No.
Oh yeah, look, it almost matches it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, stick it over there.
There we have it. Yeah, it's perfect.
Feels good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's see. It's about the same height as the other one.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
And look, it's almost the same color. Look.
Yeah, I think so too. I think it worked out well. Does it fit underneath the table? That's the question. Because that's where it will be when we put the seat back. All right.
Perfect.
Yep. We're relaxing after driving, what, 12 hours?
No more than that.
Well, I drove 2 hours.
From like 7:30 to 9:30.
And I drove 2 of those hours.
Yeah,
And
so
you drove the
12
rest.
hours. Yeah, 12 hours.
But here we are, and we've got our ottoman that we bought to replace the dinette seat that we took out. And this is exactly what we wanted to do. We wanted to use it as a seat over there under the dinette. And then when we wanted to watch a little TV, we can put it like this and almost have like a chase lounge. We took and put a hook over there where we took the seat out so that we can put a little hanging there like our coats so that they're readily available whether we're in the back or in the front of the RV. And we are pretty happy with what we did, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yep, you did a good job, honey. That was pretty successful. Yeah. Okay. Got anything else to say?
Ciao.